Hi everyone, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to the Excel tutorial where we will learn to create an attendance sheet, and also in upcoming tutorials we are going to use this attendance record to do calculation for salary slip. In this tutorial we are going to see or learn the use of conditional formatting, COUNTIF function, and most common used terminologies inside the attendance record by a company. So let's don't waste more time and directly dive into my screen. You can see in my screen that this is the November month's attendance record of Mirzapur company. So in our A column we have serial number. In B column we have employee name, that is Guddu, Munna, Bablu, Sarad, Makbul, Lalit. You have recognized all of them. They have entertained us so much in Mirzapur. In C column, we have the designation. Someone is manager, someone is supervisor, someone is clerk, someone is worker, like this. From D column onwards, we have the dates of this November. Above this, we have the days, like 1st November is Friday, 2nd November is Saturday, 3rd November is Sunday. And below these dates, we have written somewhere P, somewhere SL, somewhere AB, somewhere LOP, somewhere week off, somewhere CL, somewhere PL. So what are all these? So these are the short forms of these full forms. P means present, AB means absent, SL means sick leave, CL means casual leave, PL means paid leave, LOP means loss of pay, LWP means leave without pay. So from both LOP or LWP you can use anyone. WOF means week off, P days means pay days or payment days. So how many days you have worked in that particular month, you will be getting the salary according to that days only. OT means overtime. Overtime, how many extra hours you have given to the company on a particular month. So P days we will be getting it from here by adding this SL, CL, week off and P present days. And for OT we will be using an external software what your company is using, or you can use that punching machine, but here we will in practical do it manually, and here all the countings are done. And now let's don't dive in so much and start doing it practical, and you will get all the clarifications and easy tips to create a attendance sheet. So I will jump to a new sheet, and you can see here that I have typed, just kidding, I have copy pasted from the previous sheet. And first I will type here the dates. So first I will give the month, then I will give the date, and then I will give the year, and I will press enter, and I will keep my cursor here to the corner of this border, and I will drag this one till 30th of November, and you can see that our dates are coming, but we don't want this so much long, like month also, year also. We only need the dates. So I will click here in this little icon. I'll format cells will open. I'll click here custom. I'll double click here. I'll type a DT, and you can see that in sample it's coming 01, so it's only dates. I'll click OK. So this is how we can get the dates. So now we will get the days. So for days we will use one formula, that is text formula, and you can see that the definition is written here, that converts a value to text in a specific number format. Select the below cell, then I will give here the format, that is inside inverted comma DD D, and this, if I type here DDD 4 times and close this inverted comma, then you can see that it's coming Friday fully written, FRIDAY, but I need this one only 3 letters, so I will type here 3 times. So this is coming FRI. So I will just drag this one till the end. So now I will press Alt HOI to auto fit the column width, and now we will create the drop down by data validation. Just select all these cells, go to data tab, click here data tools group. In allow, give the list and keep your cursor in source and select this range, and press OK. So you can see that a drop down arrow is coming here. So I will just type here P by keeping the selection. I will do nothing and then I will press the Control Enter. So you can see that automatically it's pasting everywhere P. So who will type this P manually? So I will do it like this shortcut wise. So now here we will highlight Sunday. For Sunday, I will keep this selection, go to Home tab, go to Styles group, Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, and here I will click here, use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I will give here the formula, that is I will select this cell and we have to jump from one column to another column. So I will press F4 one time, keep the row fixed, then I will type equals, then I will inside double inverted comma I will type Sunday, then I will go to format, give this fill red color, click OK, click OK. So you can see that our Sunday is getting highlight. So we will do some formatting, that is give all borders and align center. So now it's looking perfect. So here you can see that it's coming good till now. So we need that every Sunday will be week off. So I will just select this one, drop down and click on drop down, just select week off. Then I will bring my cursor to this border and here one shaded plus is coming. So I'll double click here. So you can see that it's auto filling everywhere week off. Do the same for other. Just click on drop down, select week off and double click. So now again I will select this whole and I will Alt HOI to auto fit the column width. So now we have done this much and now we will be finding this. So I'll select this one, press Ctrl C, keep my cursor here. You can do it manually by going here Home tab, paste and here transpose, or else I will just use the shortcut key, that is Alt H V T. So you can see that the both things are similar. So you can do it by that manually or you can use the shortcut key. So now we will be calculating LOP. So I'll type here equals to, use the formula, that is COUNTIF, press the tab, give the range here, select this range. I'll do the cell referencing for automatic dragging left and down, right and down. So I'll press F4 three times to fix the column and jump the rows. I'll do the same thing for this also, F4 three times. Then I will press comma, I will give the criteria, that is this one LOP, and I will press F4 two times for keeping the row fixed, and we will jump from one column to another, like from LOP to AB, AB to week off while dragging. So I will press enter and I will drag this one down and again I will drag this one to right. So you can see that week offs are coming 4 and present days are coming 26 because no one has taken any leaves or something. So all are punctual and obedient. Everyone is doing their jobs perfectly and all are hardworking. So now we will see some lazy person, like he is absent. Some days he has sick leave also. He has casual leave and one planned leave also. So now here also one sick leave, here also one casual leave, here he has planned leave, here he is absent, here he is planned leave, here he is planned leave, here is absent, here he is also absent, here also absent, here he is sick leave, here one is casual leave. So like this you can give a false data to see your calculations and all. So we will be doing highlighting first. So highlighting, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules equal to and type a P. For present I will give this one a green color and keep this selection, and again conditional formatting, highlight cells equals to AB. For absent I will give this one red color. So you can now see who is having sick leave, who is having PL, planned leave, who is having absent. All things you can now visualize properly. So now we will be doing the calculation. First of all, I will auto fit this one, so I don't need to move left and right scroll every time here. So here we will find the P days first, that is payment days. Then we will be having overtime. This one we will be giving manually. So for P days, I'll select this week of SL, this all, and go to home tab. Here editing group, I will click this one AutoSum, and I will drag this one down. So you can see that it's coming automatically. Now for overtime, I will press Ctrl 1 for format cells. Go to custom. Here I will inside type, I will type 0. Inside double inverted comma, I will type hour, and then I will press enter. So now if I type a 0, then it's coming 0 hour. He has done 2 hours extra overtime. He has done 15 hours. He has done 20 hours. He has done 30 hours. And Lalit has done extra 45 hours overtime. So he should have got some bonus, I think so. So we'll again do the auto fit column width. Now here I will just select this, click here margin center. I'll type a counting. Oh, sorry, counting. So you can select all this and give your all borders, and select this one, and you can give your own color for this visualization. So this is how you can create your own attendance record for your company, for your business. Anywhere you can create your own attendance sheet. And I think, or I hope, you have find this video valuable, and I believe you will be staying connected with me for further knowledge and future videos. And in our upcoming video, we will be using this attendance record for calculating salary slip. We'll see that salary slip in our upcoming video. We'll not mix up everything. So till then, have fun. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath. Signing off.